Yes, guys, Lex Olowo here again, and I'm super excited to be here with you. Now, in this video, I'm going to be helping you solve one very important problem when it comes to your Facebook ads. Now, some of you, if your Facebook ads is costing too much, right? You just discover that you're running ads and the prices of the ad just keep going high, high, and high. Some of them might be producing results, but it's costing too much money and you cannot afford to keep up with that pace. Now, this is one of the major reasons why your ad spend would go up, right? And I'm going to be showing you how you can solve this problem. Now, one of the major reasons why your ad spend will go up is when you're running ads, you probably increased the ad budget and you started running multiple ads targeting the same location. Now, if you are running multiple ads, you might be using different ad sets and you are running multiple ads, there is a high probability that your ads will start to overlap. Now, when your ads start overlapping, what happens is that they start competing against each other. Now, you remember, Facebook ads is a bidding process. So when your ads are bidding against each other, what really happens there is that they start trying to outbid each other and the price of the ads keeps going up and up and up and up, right? Which affects the price you are going to pay on the long run. Now, how do you avoid your ads to overlap so that they do not, so that you don't get too much ad cost in your ad account? Now, this is a simple way you're going to do that, right? Once you're done setting up your ads, all you have to do is come up here and click on this and tick here. So you're just going to tick it. Then when you tick it, you're going to come to more, right? When you click on more, you're going to go to create a rule, right? So when you click on create a rule, it's going to load and you're going to see there are different rules you can create. And the one we're going to be creating here now is reduce action overlap, right? Reduce action overlap. So you're going to click on action overlap and you're going to click on next. Now it's going to ask you, you're going to have three different options. Number one, turn off overlapping ad sets to increase the remaining ad budget. That's not option number one. Option number two, off the overlapping asset. Option number three, send notification only, right? Sometimes I use send notification only or I use turn off overlapping ad sets, right? So once you do this now, and then you click on create a rule. Now, once you create that rule, the simple thing you have done is that your ads will not overlap with each other. So that way, any ad that's going to be overlapping with the other one is going to be put off, and then you will get result, and the other ad will just stay on its lane and give you the result that you deserve. If you still don't understand after this, right? I have a session where I can work with you one-on-one to help you get better results with Facebook ads, right? Me and my team can help you fix your ads, whatever issues you're having. Is it your targeting, your budget limit, your ad account has been banned, you cannot make payments, any of these things that is bothering you, as long as it concerns Facebook ad, what you can do right now is to go to the description of this video. I'm going to put in a link that's going to take you to my website where you can get all the attention that you need when it comes to your Facebook ads. So just go there and apply to book a session where we can help you fix all of your ad issues, right? Have a nice day and enjoy, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Go all out and make money online. Let's go.